Hey there, Donna Ashton here, and you are invited to the 3-day sprint crash course creation, where if you've been wanting to create an online course and just didn't know where to start or have been putting it off, this is your chance because for 3 days, we're gonna work on shaping your course, then selling your course, and then scaling your course. So all three are my pillars that I teach, and all three are needed in order to hit your goals. I'm assuming that just creating the course is really not what you're hoping for. You want to create extra income, you want to impact more people, and you want some time freedom and leverage in your business by packaging up what you're already doing that's already working in your one-to-one clients, with your one-to-one projects, and putting that into a course that can really work for you, even when you don't show up, even when you're on vacation, even when you're, having fun with your friends and family, even when you just want to sleep, right? So it's all about having that leveraged income to give you the freedom. And I know that if you started your own business, you want freedom. And I think many times we can get tied to our clients and our projects and get so busy that we don't have time to enjoy our lives, and we don't have that freedom to really have that lifestyle that we can enjoy. And just making a lot of money is no fun if you have no time to do anything with it. So I want you to have both the money and the freedom. And the best way that I have found is through an online course. So if you want to jump in and really get a head start and get your course up and running this fall, come and join the Crash Course Creation, and I will see you over there.